What's up guys? So, on behalf of Dilipag Grace Academy, so ako nga po pala si Sir Xavier Natali M. Estilo and I'm going to be your teacher here at Computer 101. Ayusin lang natin yung background natin ha. Yan, okay na. And ano ba ang pag-uusapan natin dito sa computer? So mostly it's all about technology.
Wait, SpongeBob! We're not cavemen! We have technology!
So welcome grade 7 and grade 8 and grade 9 students.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
So marami tayong pag-uusapan here at our classroom. So nandito po kayo sa ating virtual classroom. So sana mag-enjoy kayo sa ating learnings na pagdadaanan. So meron lang akong 5 acronyms o 5 rules.
Sa classroom may batas. Bawal lumabas o bawal lumabas.
And 5 words. So ano yung 5 acronyms, 5 words, and 5 rules and 5 words ni Sir Xavier?
Sinong pumatay kay Labo-Labo? Ikaw, Michael!
Ba, hindi ako, sir! Kahit mahirap lang kami, hindi ko magagawa yun.
So, first letter is letter F. So, ano ba yung letter F? So, letter F stands for follow. And then the next letter is letter C. So, the next letter is letter C. So, ano naman yung letter C? Letter C stands for comprehend. So, we have 2 letters. So, that's for follow and then comprehend. And then the third one is analyze.
Paano masabi?
Tinatanong ko nga, nagdodrong ka pa.
Ina-practice niya ako para masigurado niya.
So, we need to analyze everything na ituturo ni Sir, ipa-follow nyo at sinasabi ni Sir. So, we need our ears to listen and we need our brain cells to function. So, we have 3 letters na. So, ang ating pang-apat is the letter T. What is letter T? Letter T stands for troubleshoot. So, ano po ba yung troubleshoot? Troubleshoot means titingnan natin yung mga wrong side na ginawa natin sa problem or after natin i-analyze, titingnan natin, ayusin natin yung problema.
Advance ako mag-isip.
So, in general din yan. Hindi lang sa computer, pwede natin siyang i-apply in general sa buhay natin. So, we have 4 letters. And then the last one, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, kailangan yung mag-enjoy. So, we need to learn and enjoy. Kasi kapag hindi nyo gusto ang ginagawa nyo, hindi papasok yan, hindi magko-comprehend yan sa brain cells nyo, sa utak nyo. So, we need to enjoy our class. So, yan lang po yung ating 5 rules and 5 words and 5 letters natin na kailangan nyo i-follow dito sa ating Classroom 101.
Wala na. Finish na.
So, yan po. Yan yung ating rules. So, ang ating first lesson, in general din to, from 7, 8, 9, gagamitin natin to. So, it's called Google Classroom. So, no further ado, pasok na tayo sa ating tutorial and learning session. Okay, so here we are in my presentation. So, we're going to talk about Google Classroom, as what I said earlier. So, Google Classroom. So, Google Classroom's purpose is to facilitate paperless communication between teachers and students and streamline educational workflow. Classroom allows teachers to create classes, pass assignments, organize folders, and view work in real time. So, in short, we're going to use this as our virtual classroom.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this online class. Click present when I call your name. Jack? Okay. Peter? Okay. Sean? Present.
Because nasa pandemic pa tayo. So we can't do some face-to-face learning. So here in Google Classroom, we have step-by-step process on using it. So step-by-step process. So we have 3 steps. So madali lang, 3 lang yan. So first step, we need to log in on the link given. So ano yung link na yan? Yan yung classroom.google.com and then pressing the button and then entering the class code. So paano yan? So we're going to use it, we're going to do it
Do it! Just do it!
So first off, go to your Google. So make sure that you already have a Google account. So kailangan natin ng Google account or Gmail account. So I made a dummy account for as a student. So log in your email. So for me, this is my dummy account. So I'm logging in. So our first step is, so once you log in, you can see this environment. So our first step is log in your Gmail account, and after that, click the button. So where's the button? So here is the add button. So after that, you're going to choose join class, and then enter the code that given to you by your teacher. So meron ako ditong example na ginawang Google Classroom. So yeah, 7 Corinthians. So ito yung code. Ibibigay ko siya sa inyo through Messenger or through your parents. And then yan yung ipapasok nyo sa inyong Google Classroom to join sa inyong join bar. Asan ba yun? So we're going back to join class. So once you copy the given code, you need to paste it here and then join. So that's the third step. And once you did it, so ano mangyayari? You're already inside the classroom of your teacher. So yay! Congrats! Nasa classroom ka na. So yan lang yung step by step. So easy lang naman, di ba? So first step, makikita nyo dyan, ito yung ginawa natin. And then, for the second step, after logging in the classroom, or the email pala rather, second step, we click the button and enter the class code. And that's for the third step. And then, nandun na tayo sa ating classroom. So, madali lang. Kaya-kaya niyo yan. So, inside the classroom, ano bang nasa loob ng classroom natin? Sa virtual classroom natin. So, let's explore. Okay, so once nasa loob na tayo ng classroom, may makikita tayo dito tatlong tabs, which is the stream. Kung nagpi-Facebook kayo, parang ito yung newsfeed natin. You can share something here, and you can see some post here. So, makikita nyo, may post ako dito. Example ng assignment. So, we're going to discuss it later. And then, we can see the upcoming events. So, we also have classwork. So, classwork. So, anong nasa classwork? So, makikita nyo dito yung mga pinapagawa ng mga teachers nyo, mga pinapasubmit, mga due date. So, we also have calendar, drive folders, kung saan nagsisave yung inyong mga files. So, yan. Dyan yung makikita yon. And then, we also have people. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ako pa lang. Teachers, walang student. So, bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi wala pa akong students. Wala pa akong nabibigyan ng code para mag-join sa aking classroom. So, once na nagbigay ako ng mga codes and nag-join kayo, dadami dito ang student natin. So, once na madami na kayong naka-join dito, makikita nyo yung names dito below the name of the teacher. Okay, so that's the three tabs. The stream, the classwork, and the people. And then meron tayo ditong tab which is the hamburger tab. You can see the calendar, classes, and the to-do list given by your teacher.
Okay, so as you can see, nandito pa rin tayo sa ating Google Classroom. So we have 2 classroom here. So paano naging dalawa yan? So madali lang yan, kids. So ang gagawin lang natin is we're going to click our button again on our right part of our screen, upper right. So we're going to join another class. And then, input lang natin yung class code na bibigay ng ating mga subject teacher. So, ang mangyayari dito, so dadami siya ng dadami sa pagdami ng subject natin. So for my Google Classroom, I only have 2. So, one yung ginawa ko for example, and then the other one is classroom namin ng mga teachers. And then, we have another button here. When we click it, ano mangyayari? So, may makikita tayong mga third-party websites. So, we have Google Search, Google Map, YouTube, Google Play Store, Gmail, and News, and ito pa, Google Meet. So, ano naman tong Google Meet? So, we're going to use it in the future then. We can also use that. So, para siyang Zoom. Kung alam nyo po yung Zoom, online stream siya. Pwede natin siyang gamitin kapag nag-reporting tayo at nag-live stream tayo. So, we have Contacts, Calendar, and Google Drive. So, dito naman sa Google Drive, we can save our files. So, up to 10 gig yata siya. I'm not sure. So, pwede tayo maglagay dyan ng madaming files. We have Duo, Photos, Shopping. So, we can also do some documents here and sheets, slides. And also, we have a Hangouts. Itong Hangouts, para siyang messenger. Okay. So, yan. Marami tayong pwedeng gawin dito sa Google Classroom. And in the third button, we have the switch button or sign in button and switching or adding another account. So, we can do it here in our third button here.
Okay, so going back to stream. So, for example, I already made an example here, an assignment. So, once you click it, so ginawa ko to para sa inyo For example, may post na assignment yung teachers nyo. So, ganito lang yan. So, bubuksan nyo yun. And then, yung ginawa ko dito is, ang title is Google Classroom Tutorial. So, nakalagay dito, submit your Microsoft Word file here with file name assignment 1. So, regarding to the topic that's given. So, dito nyo ipasasubmit. So, paano isubmit yun? So, you're going to click the add or create. And then, ilagay nyo lang dito yung file na i-click nyo lang dun yung file kung Microsoft Word yung inyong ipasasubmit. After that, wait lang natin. You can drag and drop here your file or your assignment yung ginawa nyo. So, for example, maglalagay ako ng isang Microsoft Word kasi Microsoft Word yung kailangan. So,
1,000 years later.
program na. And then, once na nasabit nyo na, click upload lang. Yan ay kung file yung isasabit nyo kay sir or kay ma'am. So, once na nailagay nyo na, i-upload nyo na, you're going to click turned in para masubmit nyo yung file nyo. And then, one attachment will be submitted to Google Classroom Tutorial or ito yung title natin ng assignment. Then, turned in. So, yan. Kung mapapansin nyo, nakalagay dito, turned in na. Nasubmit nyo na yung assignment nyo kay ma'am or kay sir. So, yan. Meron din tayo, makikita din natin dito yung due date. Kung hanggang kailan pwedeng ipasa. So, meron pa tayo dito ng example. Okay, so nagawa ulit ako ng isa pang assignment. So, for this one, it's I'm using Google Form. So, yan. Naglagay ako ng bagong assignment. So, or activity. Answer the form in the link provided below. So, once you click it, pupunta kayo sa isang page. So, nilagay kong pangalan is Assignment Trial. This is a trial in answering Google Forms. So, yan. Ilalagay nyo dito yung email nyo. So, ilagay ko lang yung sa akin. And then your name. Year and section. And graduations. And then, are you ready for the school year 2020 or 2021? For those na hindi nakakaalam, ang ibig sabihin ng SY po is school year. So, yes. And then submit. So, yan. Sabi dyan, your response has been recorded.
So may makikita tayo na view score. If ever na quiz yung ginawa ng teachers nyo, makikita nyo din dito yung points. Automatic yan. Okay. So yan yung tutorial natin sa forms and assignments and submission. So yun ang nasa loob ng ating Google Classroom. So submitting your activities or assignment, yun nga, diniscuss ko na earlier. So yan lang, ganun lang kadali yung ating Google Classroom. So I hope matutunan nyo yung basic. So may mga advanced pa dyan. So nasa YouTube, nasa internet, pwede nating research. So ang ating verse of the day, that another phrase you, not your own mouth, a stranger, and not your own lips. Proverbs 27 verse 2. So goodbye class. May the Lord smile on you.